Hi everyone, this is Tori with Primetime Cruisers. I am going to give you a room tour today of our Majestic Princess room, M103. This one is a balcony room and you are not going to want to miss it. It is a balcony like I've never seen before. So come along with us, let's go sail the seas. So first of all, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so now. The cool thing is that you don't have to tap it. It knows we're there. See? Okay. And then you put your card in there. This controls the lights. I don't know which one controls which one. I don't know. I think one's out there. Yeah. Okay. Then first off, we have this one here that controls the light. I hate the outside the room lights, but switch. But this is the bathroom. It does have a step up, so keep that in mind. Be careful. Now here is the floor space. There's the wastebasket over there, and over here is the toilet paper roll. But then way over here is the toilet. So, I mean, that's kind of a reach for little people like me. So don't love that. Then the sink area here, towels, tissues, body lotion, and hand wash cups, like a 3-layer of shelf space. Then there is an outlet in here. Nice little lighting. Nice little lighting here as well. I do like this glass. Here is the shower. We have some shampoo and conditioner, so if you don't like that mix, bring your own. Body wash, the line for drying some stuff like your bathing suit. Then the shower head that is removable, so it's handheld. Water here, adjustable here. It does tell you to test the water before you get in. It says to flush, close lid, and push button. So there's your flush there. It's plenty of towels. If you hang it up, they will not take it away. So if you need it to be replaced, then obviously put it on the floor. And that's the bathroom. There's this huge closet space. Kind of wish this was used more for the room because it's just so huge, but there's plenty of hangers so we can hang up all our clothes. Huge closet space. Computer, it does have a lock. There's plenty of shelf space, plenty there, which we will change that up probably for the clothes. And then even shelf space up here. It does have a full-length mirror as well here. Then we did ask for our beds to be separated, but they left them together, no biggie. So I just asked for an extra pair of sheets because I hate sharing mine. And then it has end tables on both sides. And it has lights, which can be controlled on both sides. Okay, so they control the room lights, and that way either one of you can do it. Then this sofa bed turns into a bed at night. It does come with a table and a chair. We are going to be taking the chair outside because we got permission to, and we wanted an extra chair outside, and this was what the best they could do. They didn't have fans, which we wanted one for airflow, so that's a shame. We did see him even before they allowed us to come into the room, but still he said they didn't have any. Yeah, there's another mirror here. They have this little shelf area here for ice and drinks. Here they have a drawer space with the hair dryer. There's the mini fridge here. Yep. So the cool thing is that our medallions don't actually have to tap on the door. They just know that you're in here. So if you leave it behind, they're going to think you're in here. And if there's a minor here, they will not come into the stateroom. So don't leave your medallions behind. Always wear them. But the main reason we came in here was for this balcony. So even though the room is spacious and I like it, I'm glad that we got it. We're going to show you that balcony. There is the curtains. Okay, it's velcroed, so they can change it if they needed to wash it. And this is the balcony. There's a lot of space. This is great. And then, so there's definitely space for that extra chair here. And look at our views. So this is considered an obstructed view because there is no clear railing here. But I mean, yeah, I still love that I can come out here and relax and stand here if I like. I'm not much of a sitter anyway, so I can lounge somewhere else or lounge without views and then stand here for great views as well. So this is nice. We haven't left yet. There's tons of cruises around and this is super nice. Nobody can walk by here, obviously, except workers. And at nighttime, you do have to close your shades if you're gonna have lights on in your room. But other than that, it is a very good idea to get these rooms if you can't really afford the balcony because it's too expensive. Now, if you have connecting rooms or sharing it with somebody else in your party, you can get these doors open so that you can move back and forth throughout. So now that the bed has been brought down, I wanted to show you. I kind of protect it with some towels because that's just me. Like I said, you guys should know me by now. That's just me. But anyway, my daughter found it very, very comfortable. Now what I wanted you to see was this. It goes all the way to the fridge. That's where the mini fridge is. So once they do turn down service, this is in your way. So you either pull it up, which it is heavy. Ugh. Pull it up a little bit, enough to get through and enjoy the balcony if you still want to go out there. But if somebody's laying down already and they don't want to move, you're in trouble. So have that in mind. I don't like the layout of the room. The table ended up underneath the vanity there, but that's what we don't like about the configuration of the room. That is annoying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I think it was a very beautiful room, pretty clean overall. I do clean up everything. I am very, very, very picky about cleanliness. So yes, I do wipe everything down, and for the most part, everything was pretty clean. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, let us know that you liked what we did, and please subscribe because it really helps us grow. Our channel is new. If you haven't checked out our other channel, it's all about traveling, Primetime Travelers. That's our original channel and it's doing well. This one is our new channel because we want to focus solely on cruising in this one, but we hope you stay here and join us on the seas. See you next time.